Hey guys, welcome. Yeah, I was had a little struggle with my streaming software, but now I'm here, good to go. Need to see. No, yeah, it's wrong. Pum, pum, pum. Can I edit this? Yeah, well, basically what I'm doing here is I'm using my Hedge Ninja expert advisor robot to trade FTMO verification account. Yeah, what it does basically is that I open a trade here, and when it comes up here, it takes profit, and the profit is 99 US dollars or 100 US dollars. But if it changes direction and if the price goes down to this gray line here, it's gonna hedge. It's gonna change direction, so it's closing the position and change direction, and with a slightly bigger volume to compensate for the first loss. So and then we're gonna go for a sell, and then if we reach this target down here, it's gonna be a profit as well, 100 US dollars. This is just a small 10K verification account on FTMO, and it keeps doing this until it reaches maximum 4.3% drawdown, which is pretty much, but so far it keeps winning every day, except for that I have stopped it 3 days, stopped it from doing its job. So I have interfered, and then I have lost some money. I would have been done with the verification, but now I'm back to 10K again. So the challenge, I just had a fire and forget to let it run for 1 hour per day, and it just passed the challenge without any problem. So now I have a verification, I interfere with the robot, and I close trades, I start new trades, etc., etc. It was really stupid moves. It's, I thought I was better than the robot, but I'm not. This is a robot I built together with another guy. I coded this, and he had some ideas on the lot calculations. I've had a similar robot before, but we put our heads together, and this was what we came up with. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Just wanted to show you how this is working out, and also as you can see up in the corner, this robot is available on robertsfx.com, which is my website. I have a little subscription service where you can rent my robots, not only this one but also my Dollar Ninja. And Dollar Ninja is Dollar Ninja is another robot that I created 1.5 years ago or so. And 1 year ago I started it, and it has made 200% in 1 year, it's okay. No, it's more than okay. Just try to be humble. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. Now it went up. It's probably gonna go down. So we're gonna see how it hedges. This is how US 100 pretty much moves. Sometimes it can just continue. Looking at my iPad here. It's coming back down. do want to change my title of this YouTube video. It's wrong. Okay, so now we took a sell. And lower the time frame. See, so we went up there. We didn't reach 1% target, and it went down. So it closed and made a sell instead. Now we'll see if it's moving down. And here we see the close drawdown. It's minus 14 today on the first trade. So it can go up and down quite a few times before it reaches 430. Yeah, many people, they don't want to trade like this. They always want to go for a high risk to reward, but risk to reward is always I mean, it's connected to each other, risk to reward and the win rate. So if you have a high reward, you will have a very low win rate, and vice versa. If you have a low reward, you will have a high win rate, because yeah, that's just how the math and the physics of trading works. And this is a way to try to go around it, which is not possible, but or it feels like it's possible, but you don't know. But the challenge, the first stage was really simple. Just made 100, 150 every day. One day it was slow movement, so it went over to the next day. So it did like 2% minus that day, and then the day after it did 2%. Because it increases 0.05% per position. So now we are, the first position we had 99 as a target. Now it's 104, and next gonna be 110, etc. So it increases a bit. So because we have higher drawdowns, we want to go for a bit higher profit as well. And the only negative about this strategy, the good part is that you win in no matter which direction the price goes. The negative part is consolidation. If it goes up and down in the same position, that's a real nightmare. It can be, you can just go to your max drawdown very fast. So what's important is to find a way, is to figure out a way to pull the trigger and start to trade when the market is gonna move. And as you see, I did that today, and I do that almost every day. Okay, now we come up again. So here we have the lines. No matter which line we go to, we're gonna win the amount you see here or here. If we don't come to the drawdown first. We have had the news in this Wednesday, I think it was, and then yesterday we just went crashed down again. The news took it up, and then the day after it just came back down. I'm gonna show you here if you haven't seen. Sorry. Yeah, here we see. I mean, here was the news, then it just crashed down. So it's back to where it was. Now it's continuing to do what it wanted to do before. Wow, that was my bad. I'm on a really laggy. Um, computer, so now it's my EA has lagged, which is not good, but I'm still in the cell, so I'm managed to skip one position there. Now it's back, so the EA need to be activated for it to close the position and take a new one, which it would have done now. We would have opened 2 more positions, so I'm lucky. Gonna celebrate. My computer is first. I have a 2018 MacBook Pro, which is awful, especially when I'm streaming and using 4K video. And then I'm on a remote desktop machine on Amazon Web Services, which is also not the best. So yeah, it's a bit slow. Do you see now we are currently up 0.2%, even though we have closed 2 trades. Yeah, no, 1 trade. Yeah, we only closed 1 trade. Let's see now. Let's start moving. So if you have insights in the market and the forex pair or whatever, that really moves, not news move, because that just is too much slippage. So then it's gonna fail big time. You need to move like this, have a good movement, but not too much. Then if you know that, then this robot is for you. I mean, it's insane. You will just win and win and win. But don't do that what I do, to interfere and stop the trades and think you're smarter than the robot. I mean, we're using 4.3%. I am using 4.3% to really make sure that I will win the trade. I don't want to go higher because then I will lose the account. But I don't want to go lower either, because when I have this, I mean, I had the challenge, I just passed it, boom, it was done. And that's what I want to do. Mm-hmm. I don't really know. And we're moving again. So the reason that this stock index is moving is because it's a US 100 stock index. So it's US companies, and now around this time the New York market opens. So this is why we see the big moves. So to me, it's a good time to trade this strategy. Okay, we're gonna go up. Yeah, let's move now. So it closed and open another position. So now we are in 0.3% drawdown, which is still nothing. We are going for 1% target. So if it just moves, it's gonna be fine. But what is a bit, it's Friday today. I don't like Fridays, especially because strange things can happen. And when we had the news, it can easily be a day when it's just, this is the move we see. In like 14-15 minutes, I would prefer to be out of the trade because then it can slow down and continue in the evening again. But I don't want to be close to this hedge area. Come on, baby. Start moving. Okay, so it was 17 minutes ago I started this trade. Now it's, for instance, this is what I've done a few times. Or I closed 3 trades this week on this verification account. If I haven't done that, I would have passed it yesterday. But and I did a stupid move yesterday, which made me not trade yesterday. So I missed the big move down, which would have been a so easy trade. But otherwise, I've been like I was in $150, which is 1.5% in drawdown, and then I came to the profit was around break even, so I closed it. But just the minute after, it just shot right to my target, and I would have been up 1% extra that day. And the day before that, I actually closed it at minus 1.5%. Don't know why. I got a hunch, I got a feeling that no, it's not gonna work out today. So yeah, let's close it. Problem is that same thing happened there. Just 5-10 minutes after it went to my profit. So it was, yeah, it's really stupid to interfere. The strategy is give me this room to breathe. I want to breathe 4.3%. If you give me that room and you give me an instrument that that moves, that you know will probably more often than not move, then I'm gonna fix 1% for you. That's what Hedge Ninja tell me, but I ignore it. So if this would go to a profit like before 4 o'clock, I normally take another cycle. I call this a trade cycle. And but in this case, I will probably not open another one. If this one closes, I'm gonna be happy with 1% today. And this red line, it's a more or less target. You will see now if we go to this line, it's gonna maybe go a bit past it because it tries to calculate exactly where it should end up the trade, but now I so much want to close it, but I'm not gonna do it. But after this big move, we always see retracement. So, but now we are gonna get almost 1.1% target, but I'm happy with that. That's 1%. Yeah. Oh no, it lags, so it opened again. Okay, I closed this one. Okay, so that's how I do 1% per day. Pretty easy. Use Hedge Ninja at specific time on an instrument that moves a lot. have a decent risk reward, and yeah, you're gonna bank profits day after day. Just tell you. So if you want to check out the robots that I built, I coded them myself many years. I've been a software developer since I was like 10 years old. Then you just head over to robertsfx.com and yeah, check them out. Take 1 month. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. Dollar Ninja is also included, which also has a signal, but only the signal costs 75 US dollars up until 150 US dollars per month. So for 50, you get access to Dollar Ninja, you get access to Hedge Ninja, and you can just do whatever you want with it. You can run it on as many accounts as you like. So good luck with your trading. Thanks for today. Bye. Peace.